Batho wanga ba mudzimu.
Batho ba Jehova.
Ndo ima hapa bukati abiwe ndo rumwanga mudzimu.
Re tlo bolela ka Jehova, nda.
Mudzimu uone ende mudzimu yachilira.
Modimo wa phela, nda.
Ndo ima hapa bukati abiwe onibudza nga chitori chaitea kha nne ndo libayani Venda ka bada ya N1.
Ka tsamaya le Phuthego, ra fella ka mokoloing a marafene ra leba N1.
Ho itea madembe.
Re bona dingaka.
Re di buesa.
Ra leboga.
Hello, welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos, where we get laughs for free. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Do enjoy. Batman uwaseSoweto. Aw. Ay. Babonisha ndapha.
Ah, see that?
Hello.
Firi.
Shapuna.
Ngimnaka mampela. Konke inamba yakho jo.
Why aren't you saving that guy? Abona kusibambamba inkunzi.
Hayi, khuleka uzozibona lo.
Hi, but Batman. Aren't you supposed to be a superhero?
Hi, of course I am.
Then go save him.
Ah, mani out le izoqina. Beka mamela baby girl.
And you don't mess le ngwana badimo. Le nana rala tsaba ne. Alena le client. Bye.
Ngithi mina uthi uyafika enyangeni usongithumbile ivele ithi inyanga hayilo.
Ashbaba.
Yes.
Awuhlekisi.
By the time mina awusibuyele emumva sobe sidla amasavana ngiyokutshengisa okuyibona bona okumele bathathe.
Hayi baba. Man.
This is ichomi. Yes.
Oh, my man. So, guys, my man just came out of the toilet. Did you wash your hands? I'm taking a video documenting our love, duh. So, he just finished. Babe, you have a little bit of something at the... So, guys, I'm going to check on my man. I haven't seen him in a minute. He's with his guy. Let's go see what guys are doing when they're alone.
Babe. You went up bad, man. Akhuluma nemedia mara baby unengokhala ka dilo tse.
Ejo abona jo attraction yam now. Ejo chira mazinga delete lento lo jo.
Delete how? No. Babe, utamutlela tse phone yakho. Are you going to let him do that too?
Mara kana ukhala ka taba ya bu TikTok.
You don't take me seriously. You don't take my TikTok seriously. Those things, they're my vlogs for my fans. What? Go after me, please, babe. Not with my iPhone. My iPhone. Oh, we are outside taking a little walk, and the boys are taking a leak. Come see my man's little Tubi and his friend's Anaconda.
Anaconda?
Yeah.
Anaconda?
No, I meant...
Oh, shit.
One more, guys. Ngilana pethu ngiyogibela taxi guys ngoba imoto yami kwi service and ngizizwa nginamahloni yazi kanti ke uzoba namahloni kanje imoto yakho kwi service and abantu bazongibuka etaxini babuza hawu zona ngilose nayo imoto.
So they let everybody smash and they want to start a family with you.
Okay. Okay.
Indaba zifundwa unquzo la Juma. Umphathi wentambo intelemente. Ngqeqeshi. Wathi intelentem. Julius. Ezemidlalo. Dynamos too.
Hey, so failure today. We're gonna fail, boy.
So failure, boy. We're gonna fail. Yo.
But the Keystone ungahamba uvula store une option mina nje super.
Ngangijwili la. Uyeka lento yakho.
Yini ngenzeni?
Isitolo sakhe ngangijwili.
Like auction in night.
Shani impango ngangijwili la.
Ngizokuye ngoba ngifuna ukukweleta endaweni yakho otherwise ngizokuphendula mina.
Tshela da, bengiphethe bo 150,000 ngayispenda yonke. Yo, boy, kavalisi. mina lesi ngingawanaso uyangazi ke mina ngumphendulo wabantwana inkosi yabo chira
ngeke lo mntana muhle blind
bheka sister.
Hello.
Yo, imoto yakho le.
Yes.
Yo, this is a nice car, yazi. Yo, it's a nice car. No, yazi mina bengifuna ukuthini sister. Bengithi hayi. I know sebenzile sister uyangikhuthaza. Ngithi hayi God bless you sister. Yeah, God bless you. Ube nelanga elihle ne?
Nawe.
Eh hayi, God bless you.
Okay.
Mayihaka abantwana abadrivayo. Yes. Jelile boy. Ngitshelile yabona mina ke nja yami. Abuchiri kimi bayayiwela ngithola. Athi kimi ufuna sisivaye siye la kwakhe athi ngimthinta ngaphakathi njenge doctor operation. Athi mina ndoda manje ngimshaya inhliziyo ngaphakathi indoda inhliziyo yakhe yajiva njengoba ngibona. Athi ngathi ngichoreographer inhliziyo yakhe.
Yes.
No ngiyavuma. Apoy asivaye fast ke ngiyocoka lama brother wami lawa enginawo neGucci ibhathi yami le Gucci.
Why isn't it oboranga abasadi ne? Bana no bophelo bo simple. Like bana no life is easy. And the reason why banahana so, it's because of abana basadi.
And it's all come mamlo kono na happy amara relationship mara batho ba bamba utlwele botlhoko. O iputisa go ila
nkampane ka nna le mosadi a le tawa. Ra tswa go thabeneng ka thupakela re le babedi ra gae. A ile mosadi o beikelang ba ruti dikuku ka tšhelete ke ena ke mmatli.
Cabanga sengimosha ubuthongo bami ngiyojive ingoma enginayo efonini. Phela mina ngihlanye.
Wena uhlanye bafu.
Batho ko re magale sho gore tšhelete re tletse mo lefatsheng go ikry-a ma ko go le sho go ikry-a batho. Yabo leyo mfana wanziwa ngathi kwena uyi-wife material baleka ngoba uyakuthuka leyo mfana usuke esho ukuthi uyisilima esilimele umfana maye esuke ekuncoma ethi uyi-wife material hlala phansi and do some self introspection. There's definitely something wrong with you ngoba loyo muntu loyo usuke confirm waqeda ukuthi uyisilima esingenzeka unkosikazi. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini uyisilima esingenzeka unkosikazi and ukhumbule ukuthi abantu besilisa mabebona umfazi kwena besuke bebona isigcila. So maye zothi kwena uyi-wife material okusho ukuthi you have all the qualities okuba isigcila. So it's not a compliment mfana mayethi kwena uyi-wife material. Leyo mfana usuke ethi nje wenzeka kamnandi isilima ngoba awuyena le ntombazana ebuzayo awuyena le ntombazana ecabanga ifike lapha ekumele ifike khona. You understand ucabanga ufike eduze so uyakwazi ukuthi akwenze kahle isilima ngoba awusoze wabona ukuthi ukwenza iphusi.
It's over. Ke ntho tsa gale. O go re morning X. Motho a fahle ke thoko asho.
Ntwana bone homework ya nda. Mfana le homework. Ngana ndo.
Yo, urunga banga. Ya ujoga ntwana ya. Urunga banga. Ayo, jom ntwana ya. You. Asima mesoni. Kuba bonke abantu. Akusumuntu ongathi mina ngidom njalo. Yakhumbula wena wathola 1 out of 300 for physics. Yakhumbula. Since wena usmart mina ngidom. Mongasebenzisi lekhanda lakhe elikhulu eGroup ukubona ukuthi bakuchithela nekhazini yakho. Sizala kanjani? Bathi ingoma imnandi. Mamela, bathi ingoma emnandi iyaphinda. Mara wena le wezophinda ugrade 11 nja yami. Ayisahlekisi. Guy 4 Withuna la esikolweni. Tanga osala benghlala.
Naye wayemsula.
Osala.
Papa ulo crossa metsinyana le manyana. Oh, fancy. Guys, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting this channel. See you in the next upload. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Azish.
Hey!